The World Cup doesn't always punish the weaker team. Sometimes it punishes the team that believes it should win. Portugal arrived with stars, experience, and expectation. DR Congo arrived with almost nobody expecting anything. 90 minutes later, the scoreboard didn't care about reputation. Every World Cup creates a dangerous illusion. The favorite thinks the match will eventually open up. The underdog thinks the match must never open up. Those are not the same objectives. One team is trying to create chaos, the other is trying to survive it. And survival is often easier because football becomes a completely different sport when one side is willing to defend every meter of grass. Portugal had the ball, Portugal had the pressure, Portugal had the expectation. DR Congo had something far more dangerous, nothing to lose. At first, favorites usually feel patient, then the minutes pass, then the crowd becomes restless, then every missed chance feels bigger than it should, and suddenly the game changes. Passes become forced, shots become rushed, players stop moving the opponent and start chasing the goal. That is the moment the trap closes, not because the underdog becomes stronger, because the favorite becomes impatient. People assume talent automatically break resistance, but talent needs space. When space disappears, even great players begin solving problems that don't have easy answers. A packed defense doesn't need to be beautiful, it only needs to be disciplined. And discipline can make a giant look ordinary. That's why World Cup history keeps repeating itself. Powerhouses dominate the ball and still leave frustrated. Champions struggle in group stages. Favorites panic against teams ranked far below them. The names change, the pattern doesn't. Every tournament produces at least one moment where reputation collides with reality. Here's the uncomfortable truth. The underdog often plays freer. One mistake won't define them. One chance can change everything. That freedom creates bravery, and bravery is contagious. Suddenly, tackles become stronger, runs become longer, belief spreads through the entire team. A draw does not eliminate a contender, but it reveals something. It shows opponent that frustration is possible. It shows that pressure can grow. It shows that a match can become uncomfortable. And in a knockout tournament, uncomfortable is dangerous. The deadliest trap in the World Cup isn't bad luck. It isn't referees. It isn't even tactics. It's the moment a favorite believes the game will eventually bend to its reputation, because the World Cup has a cruel habit. It rewards the team that handles pressure better, not the team that carries the bigger name. And for one night, Portugal learned that lesson the hard way. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so that I'll be bringing in more content like this.